giving up too easily and too quickly. Now, I was having this conversation with somebody where we run the campaign for about 2 weeks or so. It's a brand new account, a brand new website, pretty much everything is new. We don't have any data, and we had a few handful of conversions, but not that much to really scale up the campaigns. Now, what is your expectation when you are starting a campaign? I know you want conversions, you want leads, you want sales, but you need to be realistic, because it's like setting up a brand new business and you're going out from day one, cold calling or knocking on doors and getting new businesses. It won't happen. Just like you go to business networking events, you go on and on and on. Why? Because if you go to these events consistently and show your face, you are going to get the work. But if you go once a week or once a month and then you think, well, I did not get any work from an event, I'm going to stop going, then obviously you won't get anything. And this is what happens, which is good news for you, because your competitors, they are doing this mistake. They will run these ads for 30 days and come to the conclusion, well, Google, Facebook, Twitter, all these online ads are a waste of time. It's a con. I'm wasting my money and I'm not getting anything. It's because what you need to do is, when you don't have any data or conversions, then you need to buy this ad intelligence. We are buying this intelligence. We are not wasting money. Once we have data in the account, then we can see what worked, what didn't work, and then you can decide how to go forward. So things which are not working, you keep cutting them off or reducing them. The things which are working, or you can see that they are heading in the right direction, you start to optimize towards those keywords or those ads, etc. So don't give up. It's not so easy these days that you switch on the tap and the leads and the sales are going to be flowing instantly. Quite often it does work straight off the bat, but many times it will not. So you got to keep going, keep changing, keep testing, keep tweaking, and you will start to get the results.